Hey warriors, there is a rule that decides who gets close to powerful people and who never will. Most people break it without even knowing it exists, and they spend years wondering why the same door keeps closing on them. Here's the rule. Influential people don't choose who stays close based on intelligence, charm, or good looks. They choose based on one quiet question running in the back of their mind every time someone new shows up. What does this person actually add to my life? Almost nobody realizes that question is even being asked. So they spend years trying to get close to successful people the wrong way, asking for favors, asking for attention, asking for a chance, and every time they walk away confused about why the door stayed shut, while someone else seemed to walk through it without even trying. Powerful people are not surrounded by fans. They're surrounded by people who make their life easier, their work stronger, and their decisions sharper. That has been true for as long as people have organized themselves into groups, and it hasn't changed today. The biggest mistake people make is spending all their energy trying to get access, and almost none of it becoming worthy of it. They keep asking, who can help me get in? But the people who actually rise ask a completely different question. How do I become someone worth keeping around? That question is what this entire video is built on, not tricks, not shortcuts. Just a clear look at how influence actually forms between people and how it's lost just as fast. 7 laws, straight from Machiavelli's understanding of human behavior, applied to real life today. Apply even a few of these, and you'll notice how differently people start treating you. Most advice about getting ahead focuses on confidence, networking, or saying the right words at the right time. But none of that works long-term if there's nothing behind it. Confidence without value comes across as noise. Networking without value just means collecting names nobody remembers a week later. The foundation has to be real, or everything built on top of it eventually collapses. That's exactly what these 7 laws are designed to fix. Not by teaching you to perform differently, but by teaching you to actually become someone worth keeping around. Every law you're about to hear builds on the one before it, so pay attention to how they connect. By the end, you'll understand not just what to do, but why it actually works on a psychological level. Why some people naturally draw others in, while others push people away without ever realizing it. Before we move forward, I want you to drop this affirmation in the comments. I attract power through value.